Hey YouTube, we're back with another video. She got slime for Christmas, as you can see for the thumbnail, you know. So I guess we're gonna make it. It says easy to make and mix fun
So
fish.
I have a new little like unicorn. So like Princess Alicia. So I got for Christmas cause I really miss Santa. And her not back, her at in the pool.
What?
Yeah.
She already made the first glitter slime without me, so you know this is the only one left.
Yeah.
What do we have? We have sodium we have glitter.
Yeah.
Okay, we have two of these.
More? Glue. It's glue.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat this. Eat that food.
We've got actual glitter. We have what do you want to call these?
Gems.
Okay, we got gems. We got 2 spoons.
Yeah. One for Krystel, one for me.
We got a measuring cup.
Yep. For the
2 things of dye, pink and purple.
Yeah.
Some sticks and a manual. So what does it say? It says do not eat it. Don't eat it.
I like glue.
No, don't eat it.
Yes.
Okay, so we're back with the water. Warm water with 25 milliliters. So we're gonna put this in this cup. We're gonna take the sodium tetraborate. So we're gonna put a spoonful. So I'm gonna mix it, and then we're gonna set this one aside. And the second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take some glue. They want us to put that in there? I guess we're just gonna have to clean it afterwards. We're gonna put 54, which is 16.
Can I do it? I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see if it's working first. Is it? Keep going, go la 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 la. Pour that glue into there. Okay, so go ahead and stir it up until it's mixed really good. Are you smelling it?
Yeah.
Go ahead and mix it up.
Okay, it's done.
So, I need you to only do 1 or 2 drops, okay?
I want 2 drops.
Okay, you have to watch it. Don't squeeze it in there, just let it drop. 1, 2. Go ahead and mix it to see the color, and if you want it to be a darker pink, you can add another one. Go ahead and mix it around.
I want to be like a light pink.
You like that light pink?
Yeah.
So let's show them. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the pink that we have right now.
But
You sure you don't want it darker? It looks kind of like really, really light.
I want a light one.
You want a light pink?
Yeah.
It looks kind of white. Okay. Since we like the color of our glue solution, the next thing we're gonna do is, we're gonna put some glitter in there.
Yep, can I do it?
Let me open it for you.
Then go put some gems.
Go ahead.
How much glue?
Oh, don't put the whole thing. Okay. Don't put the whole thing. Kamille, don't put the whole thing. It said half a pack. Okay, so we mixed it up.
Yep, purple.
And what we're gonna do is take my cup.
Yes, I like gems. I like gems.
See, the thing about this is it was warm. It needed to be mixed together, but I mixed it. It's not dissolving. So I'm gonna pour mine into yours.
Just a little bit.
No, I'm gonna put a little bit.
Why? Well, that you like it. That you like yours. Why?
So go ahead and mix it up. It's turning. Look at it. It's turning into slime.
Whoa.
Let's go ahead and mix it until it turns into some slime.
Whoa.
Go ahead and mix it. You have to mix it up.
Then we can put some gems.
Oh. So you can go ahead and put your hands in it. Ooh. Go ahead. Yeah, roll up some sleeves, girl.
Thanks, no.
Ooh. Let me show you. This way.
So wobbly, the glue. It's kind of like.
You want to put gems in it, right?
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Make
so
it pretty.
this is not our final. It's not the final state, but we're gonna put some gems into this. So I'm gonna take some gems. You want all of them, or you want some of them?
I want all of them.
Okay. Okay, so fold it, and then play with it so it can be inside of it.
Okay. Then it looks so pretty.
Play with it on top of here. Not like you don't have to put it on there, but just in case like some glitter falls.
Mommy, glitter slime. Ew, so glowly. Are you like my slime? Them said yes.
So it's my turn. You're saying wow.
Ooh.
Wow. Ah!
I can touch it first. Ooh, ew. I like bubble gum.
Bubble gum.
I like bubble gum.
You can hear it.
Huh? Ew. That's I don't want it. I like to eat slime.
No.
Yeah.
So this is my final masterpiece.
Yeah. So.
Oh my gosh. Thank you for watching this video.
Yeah. Please thumb up.
Yeah, thumbs up and like and subscribe. Well,
Yeah.
that's the thumbs up.
Yeah.
So bye.
Bye. We gonna see you again.
Me a chick, I got a chick. Yeah, I done got me a chick, I got a chick.